What's up YouTube, headphones and stuff, coming at you with another video. This is going to be on my latest shoe pickup. These are the Pharrell NMD Adidas Human Race in the Solar Pack. This specific colorway would be the high red aqua as well as the core black. So let's get into the box here. Let's start with the side. You have Pharrell Williams and Adidas, as well as the Solar Hue NMD, and then you can see right there you have your sizing, and your retail price is $249.99. These are a size 10.5. On the top there you have the Hue with a 3 and 18. Side, nothing there. And then the Pharrell Adidas. On the bottom, there's nothing. Let's open them up. First thing you're going to notice is this Adidas wrapping paper. It's just covered in little off-white Adidas logos, as you can see there. And then the shoes are also going to come with this extra pair of laces. These are black with little reflective dots all over them, kind of like a 3M type reflective material. And then they have that blue 3 stripes there. Alright, so let's get into the actual shoe itself. Let's take a look at the tag right here. Just everything you'd expect from a standard tag. Then I've got one of the shoes in here, and then I have the other sitting on the side here. But here's the shoe overall. You can see you have the Ultra Boost as the bottom there. It peeks through the little holes. These are a little used, as you can tell, but yeah, you have this aggressive sole at the bottom here with tons of grip, and it has these little tiny little things there. You can see that. On the back here you have Adidas on one of them, and then on the other you have Pharrell Williams. And let me shine my flashlight on this so you can see. It's like that reflective material again, as well as the laces are as well. Let's take a look at the inside of the shoe here. It's quite unique. As you can see, you have all of these like put together things that say kidney, bladder, pelvis, all over the place in the shoe. Let's zoom in a little bit. You can see the tag there. These are made in Vietnam. But yeah, the whole entire sole has those little holes in it, and then all that writing. On one of the shoes it says, I think it's pronounced Mbele. This one actually, this is the Mbele, and then I'm not sure how this one's pronounced, but in Swahili it means forever forward. On the side you can see you have this part that sticks out, and the laces actually tie into it. The whole shoe is pretty thin, as you can see, like my finger. It's kind of like wearing a sock, but it's really comfortable. They are really, they fit like really snug around your foot, especially around here. Like your foot has to like slip in, kind of like a sock almost. Ooh, that's gross. But yeah, that's about it for the shoes. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, make sure to not thumbs down, just you can leave now.